Welcome to our channel. Today we have a topic that every new parent eagerly seeks to understand: the mysterious world of newborn sleep. The mystery of newborn sleep. Newborn sleep is often likened to solving a complex puzzle. It seems mysterious, with babies having their own rhythm and patterns. To make sense of it, we turn to the biology behind it all. Did you know that a newborn's sleep patterns are closely tied to the development of their brain? The brain of a newborn is rapidly growing and forming connections, and this process plays a significant role in shaping their sleep cycles. The sleep basics. Newborns sleep a lot, typically between 14 to 17 hours a day. But here's the kicker: it's not all in one go. Newborns have shorter sleep cycles compared to adults, lasting around 50 to 60 minutes. Sleep cycles. Newborns have shorter sleep cycles compared to adults. Their cycles last around 45 minutes to an hour, and they go through both REM and non-REM stages. Understanding these cycles can be a game changer in deciphering your baby's sleep patterns. REM and Non-REM Sleep. Within these cycles, newborns experience both REM, a precise movement, and non-REM sleep. REM sleep is where dreams occur and is crucial for brain development. Non-REM sleep, on the other hand, is a deeper, more restorative phase. Understanding this interplay is key to interpreting your baby's sleep patterns. At the role of circadian rhythms, ever wondered why your newborn seems to have no concept of day and night? Well, blame it on their underdeveloped circadian rhythms. Circadian rhythms, the internal body clock, take some time to mature in a newborn. This means that in the early weeks, your baby may sleep for short periods throughout the day and night. Don't worry, it gets better. Sleep cues and soothing techniques. Recognizing your baby's sleep cues is like having a secret decoder ring. Yawning, rubbing eyes, or becoming fussy are all signs it's time for a nap. And when it comes to soothing techniques, each baby is unique. Some may prefer gentle rocking, while others find comfort in a soft lullaby. Experiment and find what works best for your bundle of joy. So there you have it, a glimpse into the world of newborn sleep cycles and patterns. Remember, every baby is different, and it's okay not to have all the answers. Be patient, observe, and enjoy these precious moments. Before we go, we have an incredible resource to make your baby's sleep even more comfortable. Check out Baby Sleep Miracle, a fantastic guide for ensuring your baby gets the best sleep. Download this book now, link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. See you in the next video.